Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about our content calendar for 2023. Now, we're already in the last week of January, and I know it's flowing by. So, we may not have the rest of the year planned, or even the rest of Q1 or Q2 planned. So, I'm going to show you a couple different resources that we have put together that can help you create that content calendar. So, I'm going to share my screen, and the first thing I'm going to share with you is a content calendar we created, which is just on a Google Sheets. And this is what we use for all of our clients. There's a couple different tabs down here. This is the calendar view. This is what I like using the most for our clients because it's color coordinated, it's easy, it's clean, and it gives you an idea of what is going to be going out for the entire month. And then you just duplicate this for each month. So every month is going to have its own tab. And here I like things to be color coordinated. And so this is kind of our key of the topics to cover. This is for a travel industry, so you can adjust it for your industry. I will leave the links in the description. You can come here and click File, Make Copy, and be able to download your own copy. So blog posts, we have to be blogging. So once we have a blog up, we can create a couple different posts from that one blog. And I would put maybe there's 3 takeaways. You can create a carousel image on Canva with those 3 images, or just one image with a short description, the title, the 3 takeaways, and then a link back to the blog. And you can also create a video around that blog post to share to YouTube and TikTok. You can have a travel tip. This is industry specific. So you can have this in this case, it would be a travel tip, but if you're a business coach or a realtor, you can change this to your industry. But this is a tip, maybe something that's going on in the industry. For traveling, this can be a packing hack, this can be a how-to, a trip update. So those are tips. Visuals with image with logo on it. This is something you would create in Canva. This is creating a quote, something that's visually appealing, that again aligns with your industry and your company. Articles from outside sources. What are those websites that you're going to that you like to get information from, and share those with your audience? If you have any products or services that you can be talking about, because again, we need to be promoting ourselves as well and letting people know how we can help them and what services or products we offer. So this would be a post around a certain product or a certain service. And then videos. This is the number one thing you have to change in 2023 is getting used to doing more videos. As much as you hate getting in front of that camera, it just has to be done because people are more likely to watch a video, and it doesn't have to be long, even a 30-second video, up to 10 minutes if it's an educational video like this. So get used to doing videos. So what I like to do is I just come in here and I'll just copy, paste. I like to kind of lay out what I want to talk about on these platforms for that week. And then I'll come back in and I will fill out. I'll have my quote right here. So I'll be able to know exactly what quote I'm going to be using. I'll make the image in Canva so I can just download it or share it directly from Canva that day. You can also schedule your posts using Hootsuite or Buffer. But this gives you that big picture of what you're going to be talking about that month. Now, one thing, if you're struggling, well, what should I be talking about? I'll leave this link for you as well. This is from Social Media Today. This is just kind of topics to be thinking of for each month. So February, Black History Month. Obviously, we have Valentine's Day. March, we have, if you're in the travel industry, starting to talk about summer travel, helping people how to plan, what to plan for, packing tips. We have International Women's Day on March 8th. And then we also have summer plans, fall plans. So really talking about those, how to start planning for your travel. So this is a great resource to look at. Also with Facebook, if you come into Meta and you're under Planner, it will give you certain days of things that are coming up. So you can look at, we have President's Day on February 20th. If you look at the month view, it will tell you here what's coming up that you may want to be talking about. So that's a great tool to be able to use. And then you can just type in what you want into your content calendar, and then you would have this, here, this is for February. So then your week of, you would put your dates here. And so then this would be maybe, this is where we would say President's Day. And then what content do you want on that image? So on this sheet, you'll also see a weekly. So this is just kind of maybe more, and maybe it's not weeks, maybe it's more months. So kind of you're taking this and what topics do you want to be talking about that month? Maybe you want to have a theme each week that you want to be talking about. And so you can fill out that topic and any additional notes from your blog post or other articles that you want to link back to for that topic. This results in notes with the insights how they are now. You most likely won't be using this part, but it is nice to have everything here. So we added it there for you. The next tab is going to be is just a different view from the monthly content calendar. So this is just kind of more of that daily, what that type of post is, the topic, if there's any links or resources it needs to go to, the category. So this is just kind of showing you a different view of what a content calendar can look like. Another option is CoSchedule, and I'll put this link there as well. They always offer a free content calendar, and this is the same thing you see from here. What blog posts you need to have, what do you need to be writing on social media, and so there's no right or wrong content calendar. It really comes down to what's going to work best for you and what are you going to use. So this resonates with me because I can see that, and then I can put those posts together. You can schedule these posts directly from this content calendar into Buffer or Hootsuite, Sprout Social, whatever scheduling tool you use. You can schedule all of these besides YouTube through one of those tools. The great thing with categorizing your YouTube and TikTok is those are both video related. So you can use those videos on TikTok and YouTube. You can also, if you want to create a video, you can share that to all your other social media platforms. It doesn't have to be a static post and a video. So really start getting used to using more videos, but look at what is going to work best for you so you can really start planning out each month and not feel so stressed when it comes Monday morning. Oh my gosh, what am I talking about this week? What do I need to do? Everything's done. You've batched your videos. You have all your content for your social media quotes. You have your tips. And just because it's on here doesn't mean that it can't be changed. So this is just a good baseline to have to fall back on that you've already put the work in. So it may take an hour or two to really put this together, but it's going to save you so much time once it's done because you know exactly what's going out and it keeps you organized. And most important, it keeps you consistent. And that's really important when it comes to social media is that consistency, posting 3 times a week, 4 times a week, and having that plan. If you need help creating your content strategy, knowing which tool is the best for you, please schedule a free consultation at Social Speak Network today and let's figure it out. Thanks, guys.